Hey there, the team over at FXW has sent over one of their dog pens for me to put together and try out for you guys. I just want to show you all the great features that it has. This dog pen is going to be perfect if you do some traveling, maybe in an RV or camping, because you can put it right outside and keep your dog contained, but still let them have some fresh air outside. It's also going to be great for dog events if you do things like dog shows or dog sports. This pen only takes about 5 minutes or so to put together. You have your panels as well as your gate. They have included an extra stake depending on the layout of the pen. I have mine closed, but it would also be great along a house or wall where the back end is already covered, and then you could extend this a little bit more. You're also going to get some extra feet just in case they get lost, and they've also enclosed some gloves if needed. To put the pen together, all I did was line up the circular rings and then inserted the stake into the rings, pushing it into the ground at the end. Once everything was put together, I shaped the pen as needed. The latch on the gate opens smoothly and shuts securely to help keep the pet contained. I like that the tops of each stake are rounded off and that there are no sharp or rough edges that could hurt my dog. This 8-panel pen allows for plenty of room for a small dog bed as well as water bowl and a couple toys. If you're looking for a pen for your pup that goes together quickly and easily, stakes into the ground, has nice rounded edges, and is gated, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.